Hello everyone. Yes, I have come to answer my brother where they find my trouble. My brother look me finish. I carry my load say I want run comot. He say whether I go leave my white Jesus. Cha-cha, yeah. I cannot leave my white Jesus. I can't leave my own darling Jesus. I cannot. You hear? You came out. See as you ride later, full everywhere because of me. Say me, I want if where I go stay anywhere where I dey. If I travel, come out. If I run away from Nigeria, come out another place. I cannot leave serving Jesus. Please, you have my fans and all of you. In fact, let me talk. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching me from. This is Love Ada Family TV. In case you are coming across my video for the first time, follow me. I want you to look at this video. These comments that our brother commented. These comments, did he show that this our brother like me? They cry, say I won't run away. The only thing where my brother remember say me I won't leave Jesus. How I go leave Jesus? Jesus is everywhere. Jesus is in my heart. He's making me beautiful. Look at me this morning. See me now, bros. See me as I did from up to down. That Jesus is everywhere. He is my Father. He is my love. I love him so much. I don't joke with him. He is my God, my King, and my everything. That is the Jesus I'm serving. He's my God. So I want to tell you, if they follow me, you better follow me, serve my white Jesus. Okay, in fact, that post show me say my brother know they joke with me. He used idea to tell me not to travel. If I won't come out now, I get some people will be say they cry, say, Love Ada, why you won't come out for this country? Why do you want to go? Why? People dey. Now you be number one. You are number one person. That is what he has shown me today. The likeness too much. Don't worry. In fact, oh my God. I carry my load, say I won't walk. You know beg me. You know even beg me, say make I no go. In fact, people will beg me. Thank you. Thank you for feeling me. Thank you for begging me. In fact, I no go try. I'm not running away again. No. I'm not running away. Now, person even buy these clothes for me. Say, make I wear this clothes, make I no run away. I know they run away. Oh. Love Ada, you are not running. Love Ada, they can't be. They can't be. I dey here. Now me and you. That's why I don't do a lot of posts for you. I know say you go talk. My brother don't go pala. If I are there, I don't do posts for you. I dey wait for you. Any comments where you comment, I'll come back and answer you. Now me talking. I no care. Okay? And I know you're fine. Take good care of yourself, okay? Well done. Thanks a million times for commenting. Thank you.